Hey everyone! In my last video I tested a simple belt drive. Now I've expanded that setup into a belt-driven linear guide. Let's take a quick look at how I designed and assembled it. There are many ways to design a linear axis, but for now I wanted to keep it simple with a belt-driven linear guide. You can see the two 8mm rods here. They're mounted in small holders that I designed in Onshape and then 3D printed. The main part is the carriage, so let's take a quick look at the model in Onshape. Okay, so this is the carriage in Onshape. It's very simple. So we have the base extruded a bit, and then basically we have the 4 holders for the bearings. So I created them once, and then it's basically extruded and making a few copies of that. And also I made some holes in here to potentially fasten the bearings, but I found out it was not even necessary. I then used 4 LM8UU linear bearings, which fit snugly into the openings in the carriage. And finally, I attached the GT2 belt to the underside of the carriage to drive the motion. The electronics and microcontroller code are the same as in the previous video, except that on the DRV8825 I've now enabled 1/16 microstepping for finer and smoother motion. The microstepping mode is set using these 3 pins, M0, M1 and M2. For 1/16 microstepping, M0 and M1 are set to low and M2 is set to high. Alright, let's power it up and see it in action. That's it for this short demonstration. If you have any tips or suggestions for improving the setup, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.